everyone, this is Akeem, current creator and maintainer of WikiGen, and I'm making this short tutorial to show you how to deploy your wiki after creating it with WikiGen. I'm hoping to completely eliminate this process in the future, but for now, this tutorial should help. Now, before we start fully, we're going to need three things. First, we're going to need a GitHub account. Of course, I have my own. You just need to go to github.com, sign up, and it should be good to go. From there, we're going to need to install Git. So just search for it on Google, download the installer, go through all the instructions. You shouldn't need to really change anything, any of the setup there. And then once you have Git installed, you're going to need to set up your SSH key, assuming you don't have one already. Of course, this is all assuming you don't have any of the prerequisites already, but nonetheless, we go through them. So first, you're going to need to generate an SSH key. The instructions here are pretty clear. You open up Git Bash. This will be installed after you install GitHub. So right here, as you can see, Git Bash. Then all you need to do is copy down this command, run it. Of course, replace this with your proper email, the one that you use for GitHub. It's going to ask you a few things. Just go with the defaults. And it's going to ask you to enter a passphrase. Just go with whatever you're comfortable with. Or as it says here, empty for no passphrase. Now, once you have your key generated, you're going to need to add that key to your GitHub account. So you can just, yes, you can, I believe you can use this command to get the key added to your clipboard. And then you can go to your GitHub accounts, click on your profile picture, go to settings, SSH and GPG keys, new SSH key, give it a title, and add it here. And with that, now we can move on to the actual meat of the matter. So let's say I've created a wiki. I'm calling it Vibrant Yellow. And I only want to generate one Pokemon in this. So Pikachu. Searching for Pikachu, there he is. Now I'm going to generate their page. And let's say Bulbasaur too for good measure. Okay. Now my wiki is complete. It's done. I don't feel like I need to do anything else for it. Now I wish to deploy it. Now, first thing I'm going to want to set up is a repository for this wiki. So if you go to your GitHub account, up here on the top right-hand corner, you should see this plus icon. You can use it to create a new repository. And the repository name should be the name of your wiki. Ensure that the names match. I believe you can run into some issues if they don't. And of course, any spaces, replace them with dashes. So mine is Vibrant Yellow. That's all you need. And then you can create the repository. All right, now that the repository is created, I can open up my terminal. I just go here, type in terminal. It should be one of these options. I already have it opened up here. And then, as you can see, I was doing some testing beforehand, but let's make sure that I am on the right thing. So in order to make this a bit easier to navigate to, you can go to wiki testing and then copy down this command, the one with CD, and then location of your wiki. So I have that copied. I'm reopening the terminal. I paste it there. I hit enter, and now I am in my wiki's main directory. Now from here, all I have to do is run these commands pretty much one by one. And then after I'm done, I run one more command in order to get my wiki fully deployed. So let's start by doing these in order. First, I'm going to run git init to initialize the repository, git add, and then dot. I do a dot to make sure I'm adding everything. Then I pressed enter, and there we go. We added Pikachu and Bulbasaur. Then I commit. I make the first commission, which should stage all the changes. First commit, wrong spelling. All right, all of that is committed. Now I really don't need to do this part, but let's just follow the instructions bit for bit. git branch dash m main. That should make main the main branch. And then this is the important command. We're gonna do git remote add origin and then this link. Now make sure that SSH is chosen here, or else you might run into some issues. So I have that copied down. I'm gonna paste it here, press enter, and now I have that origin added. Now this part I can do, but I don't really need to do. You can add this to for better organization and whatnot, but I'm gonna choose to skip it for now. And I'm just going to run this command mkdocs gh-deploy, and this command will deploy my wiki. Now, this may take a little while to complete, so let's just give it a few minutes. All right, it just asks for my SSH key password. I'm giving it that, pressing enter. And as you can see, it's uploading everything to GitHub. And then it says my documentation should be available at this URL. So I'm going to open up this URL, and as of right now, there's nothing there. It should be there in just a few. Okay, now it looks like our wiki is deployed. Now if I go here and refresh, now I see that my vibrant yellow wiki is available. And if I open this, there's Bulbasaur and there's Pikachu in all of their glory. So yeah, that is how you deploy a wiki. Um, Thanks for watching.